Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to hose bibs, an outside tap like this, you should drain them out during the winter season so there's no water left in them to freeze. Now this, before I put in the stop and drain, actually did freeze and it burst. You can see where it used to go a little bit farther out. But anyways, the water's still on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to shut the water off and then drain this pipe out, so you're not going to have it freeze and blow on you possibly during the winter season. Alright, so this is the stop and drain inside the wall here. The hose bib is just on the outside of the exterior wall. So just to move this out of the way, we have our ball valve here and then the cap here. This is the actual drain. So the way to do this is shut the valve off. The valve is now shut off. I'm going to go outside and open the outside hose bib. Alright, so our outside hose bib, we'll open it. There's a tiny bit of water that is coming out, but since the cap is still on, there's an airlock, so we're not going to get all the water out until we remove the cap. Alright, so this cap now can just be unscrewed. There is a hole in the side of the cap right there, but so that's going to bring in air to break the airlock. So what we're going to do is we're going to go look at our hose bib outside one more time. Alright, so the water has been drained out of this now, so I can close this. And this has now been winterized. There's no water left in this pipe to freeze and possibly burst. So this is my back hose bib. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and do the front hose bib, and it's going to be basically a rinse and repeat, but we're going to do it together. Alright, so this is the outside hose bib. Water's still on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downstairs to the water main and shut off the stop and drain and then drain out the line. Okay, so the valve up there, that is the stop and drain. So it goes out and then up. Anyways, this is a glow valve style. That's why it has a circular handle, but turn it until it stops. Now it's very common for these things to leak out of the stem. Alright, so you can already see it dripping down. Okay, so with the valve now shut off, the cap that is right here, that once again just needs to be unscrewed, and that's going to bring the water from the outside hose bib that's higher through the cap, and that's going to drain out the pipe. Alright guys, so this is a cap here and it came off of that there. So what I'm going to do now is go open the hose bib. That'll break the airlock. Any water will drip down into here. It's very minimal. I'm going to close the hose bib and I'm going to screw this cap back on. If you leave your cap loose, when you go to turn on your stop and drain in the springtime, you'll have water that is coming out of the cap. So just be aware of that. Okay, so I will open this and that will break the airlock. Now, because this is higher, no water is going to come out of here. It's going to go back down. Okay. And now I'm going to screw the cap back on. Now, one thing really quickly, this is down at ground level. If your stop and drain is on second floor, like in the cabinet for the bathroom sink, that water up top is going to come down here. So you may have water that comes out of here, you may not. It just depends on where your stop and drain is, the elevation opposed to your outside hose bib here. Alright, and now we'll just put the cap back on. Okay. And now both of these hose bibs have been winterized. So really quickly, the way to do this is shut off the stop and drain. That's this valve here. Open the outside hose bib, the tap. Unscrew the drain, which is the cap there. Drain the water out, put the cap back on, and then close the outside hose bib one more time. So when you go to turn everything on, you're not going to have water flowing through an open hose bib. Guys, this is a simple way to winterize your hose bibs, and it'll save you the grief if you have a pipe freeze and blow in the wintertime. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.